So when we make these sliding walls, we'll basically be using the fact that one brick is equal to 2.5 plates wide. So if I take my plate here and another plate right here, stick them right in between the panel and the brick, there you have it. Now one way to get the half a plate width that we'll need is a bracket. That's a nice way to use to get it that half a plate. And then just place a couple bricks on the plates on the bottom to keep it from moving, like so, and it should slide in and be a nice, oopsie, took it off before. Then it should go on like that and slide perfectly, line up with that. And it should be able to go on either side, like so. Look, the bottom of that one side is flush with the bottom of the other side, if you couldn't tell. And that is a nice way to create smooth looking walls, yet sturdy. Look at this wall again, from this side, and then from the other side. Now let's move on to the next wall. This is basically just the same one, except I added some tiles on the front, like that. And if you look as I move it here, it creates a seamless look with the nice little panel on the bottom. And what this is also great for is using having two different colored, for like a different colored wall on your interior as your exterior. Now this last wall is just a green plate with some tiles on it. Or is it? I have placed some money on the back. We've got a money wall. So basically this is just a bunch of money bricks on it with a couple of them placed upwards for some texture. And the way this stays in is just placing 2 panel bricks. Or in this case, you could really just place a brick on the back side of it. Anything that keeps the backside from falling backwards will work. And for a final one, we're just going to have this nice little brick wall that I worked up on. Works just the same way. Goes on either side, like so, and like that. Another thing that really is nice about this is that 2 brick height, it lines up perfectly with the second row of dots on the back side of a plate. So you could use one of these to just hook it in place. Oops.